This could be you, sitting and enjoying your wonderful patio here in Savannah. This neighborhood is amazing. It's a 55+ community and it's all one floor living. We're gonna go check it out. Well, come on in and make yourself at home. The layout of this condo is fantastic. You could be in this great kitchen entertaining, as well as talking to your guests out in your living room. All the appliances in this condo stay, and what's great is you have a 1-car attached garage with extra storage above. And through here you have your master bedroom, double closets, and your own private patio that leads to your own little backyard that you do not have to maintain. And this little area back here is so cute. And the best part, like I said, you don't have to maintain any of it. So if you're looking for your North Ridgeville condo in Savannah, reach out to us today.